Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I am going to discuss a time intelligence functions which we need to use for the MTD calculation, QTD calculation, and YTD calculation. So in Power BI, there are total MTD, total QTD, and total YTD functions. These three functions will help us to perform the calculation in such a way that to find out the cumulative sum for the specific period. If you use the total MTD, it will calculate, it will perform the cumulative sum. It will return the cumulative sum. Okay, if you go by day for the month. If you use the QTD, it will perform the cumulative sum for the quarter wise. And if you want to do the cumulative sum for the YTD, you will be able to do that. And these functions allow us to perform that kind of calculation. Okay, let's say if I go to the calendar table and if I bring the day here, it is fine. Okay, I will be able to bring the day, right? But before the day, what I will do, I will bring the months here. Okay, let me keep the month on top. Okay, then month and day is there, right? Okay, so okay, this is how it is coming. Even I don't want to merge that. Okay, I will use the separate day column. I don't want. Okay, fine. So now it is like January and 1 to 31st date, and then February 1 to 31st date. Okay, let me remove the filter and let me keep the filter for 2002 only. It is fine. So if you have a data in this way and you may want to see the cumulative sum for the month, so how we can see? So you can use total MTD function. So I am going to use that. Okay, so the way we created measures earlier, if you use that measures here, if I bring the total sales, so by day it is going to give me the amount. Okay, by day, meaning the sales on the 1st Jan is this much, sales on 2nd Jan is this much. But what I want is I want on 2nd Jan. Okay, what I want is it should give me the sum of these two automatically, and that is what your cumulative sum. So how to do that? Just go and create the new measure and let's use the total MTD formula or function. Okay, so I will say total MTD is equal to, and here you can use the total MTD, and expression is here. You have to pass what to use the expression. I will use the total sales. This is the measure, and in that measure I already defined sum of sales amount. Okay, then it asks dates. So what I will do, I will specify the dates from calendar date. Okay, and if you want to apply the filter, you can apply the filter, otherwise it is fine, right? And if I bring this to the table, you will be able to see that it is returning the sum of previous two values or next. Okay, this is what the cumulative sum. So let's say this is third. So you will, whatever the numbers are there in these three dates, it will show the cumulative, meaning the total of previous 3 days from that month, previous 4 days, 4 days. Okay, so like this at the end of month, it will show the total sales amount for the entire month by performing the sum. And this is how the progressive sum we can say, or cumulative sum we can say. And the moment, since we used MTD function, so the when it reaches to the last day of month and the new month start on next line, it will get reset. This will reset it. Okay, and then again here you will see that for the 1st of Feb, whatever the number is here, it is returning the same number. And this is how it works. In case of February, this much amount, total amount is this much. Then again it will get resetted for this next month. Okay, this is how it works. So now if you want to see the sum, cumulative sum for the quarter, yes, you will be able to do that also. For that, you can use total QTD function. And I will give the major name as a total QTD, which is equal to, if I say total sales, this is what my expression, but I should start the function first. And then I will say total sales. Okay, this is what my expression, and then dates I am going to pass. Okay, you don't need to do anything. External filter and everything will be taken care by the Power BI. Just you can see the amount directly. Now this is QTD. Okay, this is the QTD amount. Okay, and let's see. Okay, for the first day of quarter, you will see the amount which is equal to the total sales amount. On next line, it will be a progressive. But when the month ends, MTD amount will get resetted, and it will start from the beginning for the first of every month. But in the case of QTD, it will continue to add the numbers until the quarter end. And quarters are Jan, Feb, March. At the end of quarter, meaning the 31st March, you will see this is the total for the first quarter of 2002. And here again, the moment quarter changes, the amount of QTD will get resetted for the next quarter, and then it will start from the beginning again to give you the progressive until the June end. The amount will be continuously increasing, meaning this is a cumulative sum. And then from the 1st July, the quarter changes, it will start from the beginning. You will see the same numbers in all the three columns. Okay, the way we find QTD, similarly we can find the YTD also. Okay, let me create the measure for YTD also. And if I say total YTD is equal to total sales, before that I should define the function. Open the functions. I will use total YTD, and this is what my expressions, and here I'm going to pass the calendar date. Okay, and if I hit the enter button, and this is what the measure which gives me YTD. Okay, so here you will be able to see that the total sum of year for the entire year, and this column shows progressive daily, on the daily basis. Since I have a data in the daily basis, it will show me the daily upgrade. Okay, if I remove the day, then total sales will also perform like MTD, and QTD will show add the 3 months values, Jan, Feb month here as an quarter end value. And here YTD will add all those values until the last month, and that will be your total. But in case of QTD and MTD, okay, last month value will be considered as a total value. So you need to ignore this, because this is not going to give you the final value. This will show, in case of MTD, it will show the last month value. In case of QTD, last quarter value. And here in case of YTD, obviously it is fine. These two values are same. And this is how the QTD, MTD, and YTD can be calculated in Power BI. I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Please do not forget to subscribe webcam.